Piny owacho olando ni gisekelo ogunia milion 5.6 mag mbolea manengogi ni piny ne kata ma en chenro mar ikruok motelo ne koth mar chiri mabiro. Lendo makama otim kod jachiw wach e lo sirkal Isaac Mwaura e twak ma otimo kod jofwambo odiochieng' ma kawuono. Mbolea go ibiro ke ne jopur kokalo e dero maduong' mar sirkal NCPB.
And to sustain this momentum, the government has, in preparation for the upcoming long rains, secured a consignment of 5.6 million bags of subsidized fertilizers, which will be available to farmers through the National Cereals and Produce Board, NCPB. This initiative is aimed at making the farm inputs affordable for enhanced agricultural productivity across the country, ultimately contributing to food security. In addition to the fertilizers, the government is also rolling out a seed and seedling program to support farmers to cultivating high-yielding crops.